Welcome back everyone. In this video I will be showing you how to design half face text effect. Okay, so this is an example that it will looks like this. Okay, so let's design this, how we can design half face typography text effect in Canva. So let's start. Let's first of all remove all these things, this stuff. So after removing everything, let's just size like this. Now first of all we will insert the text. Come here to the text, into the heading. Sorry, not a text. Come here to the elements and a rectangle. Insert a rectangle and change the background color to black, and after that write the text, and the text color should be white. Let's now write do you like it. After writing the text, let's move it to the left side, and after that let's increase the size to 50, and thus let's bring it here. Let's just change the font, for example this one. So after changing the font, download your image. Okay, like this. Just come here to the share and download it. So after downloading it, then upload it back. Okay, I have uploaded. Okay, like this, upload it. Okay, so I will remove it and I will just select this uploaded image. So after uploading that, now let's remove the background of this. Press bg remover, or in edit you can find bg remover. Select this to remove the background. So after removing the background, and now let's decrease the size of this. And increase, so it should looks like this. And now let's insert the logo. For example, this eagle. Just search eagle logo, so you will find this or any other logo or your own image, something else. Okay, whatever you want. So just select that. So after selecting that, just increase the size. Yeah, so it will looks like this. Now let's move to the position and bring this eagle down from this black image. So after bringing it down, just select this one. Okay, this your text. After selecting the text image, move to the edit, to the filter, to the effects. In the effects you will find Dwatun, whatever is that. Okay, displaying, and just come here to the custom. Okay, in effect find the custom. After selecting the custom, select this black and make it white. Okay, so it will looks like this. Now let's change this eagle white color to red here, and I will change that to red. So let's wait for it. So that's okay now. So okay, look at, do you like it? So it looks like this. If there is any white color, so you can change. For example here, let's apply the filter. Okay, select this your text, come here to the edit. In the edit, find here the effect, the shadow. In shadow, select outline. In outline, just decrease the size. Okay, so like this. So it will looks like this. Let's just decrease the size. That's it. Okay, how it looks like. Look at it here. So this is the final result of our half face typography text effect. How it looks like. You can also place another rectangle down from this, like, okay, for example I am assigning a different color to this, like a green color, just to show you. For example, I want just to place it on this. Okay, here we have white color. Okay, let's place it here. You will see that. Okay, you will see the effect of this. Looks like this. Now let's come here to the position and bring it down from eagle. Look at, so you will change that white color also to a different color. That was the final result how you can design. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, like this video and comment down. Thanks for watching.